Hello Dream Eye friends! It's time for another unboxing of our Sea Animals Dreambox. In this box, you'll be getting our Dream Eye care package with all the templates that you need, a new book called Into the ABC, an activity mat. This time it's blue, so it looks like the ocean. And you'll be getting felt cutouts. Let's see what we have. We have an octopus, seahorse, shark, crab, whale, coral reef, starfish, turtle, and another coral reef. You'll also be getting a big collection of sea animal stickers and some bonus stickers as well. Now I'm going to show you all the other things in the box that you need for your activities. You're going to need foil, paint, and cotton swabs for your ocean foil painting. You're going to need your seashells for your rhyming activity. You're going to need your coffee filters, dropper, and stencil for your sun catcher activity. We have Legos for our crab engineering. And we have a bean bag for our crab walk activity. And we have some popsicle sticks for our puppet making, Play-Doh, we're going to make sea creatures out of, and masking tape for our bonus activity. Now I'm going to show you all the materials that we have for our sensory bin. First we have Orbeez, and we have sea animal toys, and we have some extra sea animal squishies, and we have some decoration items like pearls and plants, and we have glow sticks. I'm gonna show you how to put it together now. These Orbeez are a mix of regular Orbeez and jumbo giant Orbeez. So you see how these are super big? They're about 5 times as big as the regular Orbeez. But you need to soak them in water for about 8 hours, so you have to be a little patient. Now I'm going to add my animal toys in there. We have lots of animal friends. And our squishy animal friends. And I'm going to add my pearls and seashells and plant. And if you have any other sea animal toys around the house, you can add whatever you'd like. And I could just play with this sensory bin all day long. Can't forget the glow sticks. You should try turning off the light and see what it looks like. Well, that's it for our unboxing. See you next time. Bye!